Hello everyone. Welcome to the Trading Wealth channel. We have been doing forecast for every day for gold, Nifty, and Banknifty. Our predictions have come every day accurately. Let's see what is waiting for tomorrow, 28th July. It's a fresh week going to start. Let's start our forecast and a quick recap on for Friday's forecast. We'll start with gold. On Friday's forecast, we said gold will have support of 3345, and gold has reached the target. Uh, Gold has fallen to the target 3345, and also it broken the resistance 3345. So almost all the targets what we discussed um, uh, has achieved for Friday, and we will now go for the next week prediction. That's for tomorrow, 28th July. Okay, so we'll start with gold. If you see gold, there was a strong support at 3345, which got broken, and gold has come to 3325. So gold clearly it is in downward trend, but consider it. Gold was looking to go for all-time high. If you see, gold, it came till 3437, and it was looking to go to 3,500, but it took a resistance, and it came down last week. Okay, if you clearly see here, this was acting as a strong resistance 3450 at this point. And as you say, there are three red candles, three soldiers. There is a strong downward trend is going on, and exactly it is at the support at 3325. It is just the lowest point. The next support is at for daily chart, it is 3270. Let's see if it has the strength to come to 3270. Okay, let's go for the lower time frame for 4 hours. Okay, let me remove all the previous comments. Okay, let's check the 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, it has reached to 3326, and it has come to 33 around the price is around 3377. What are the important points to notice? We have our CPR at 3341 pivot for tomorrow, and we have some liquidity at 3313, and we have a strong support at 3299. So let me also start writing my comments here. So let's note down there is a liquidity at 3313. So I will keep noting down. Gold is definitely is in the downward trend for now. So I would say target 1 can be 3313. Target 2 can be 3,300. This is at the 4 hour time frame. We have to confirm in a different time frame. Let's drill down more further. Let's see 3 hours time frame. 3 hours time frame. It is at the liquidity at it is taking the support as 3324. Okay. I will say that current support 3325. Okay, and it has taken the support and it is at 3340. Okay, likely this liquidity sweep will happen, and likely the target will come to 329697. Yes. So let's go to 2 hour time frame. It's already taking out this liquidity, and the next support it is 3313. Yes, perfect. Let's go for 1 hour time frame. It is again in the downward trend. It's clearly at the sell side. So we need to wait for the break of 3225, which is the low point of previous trading day, Friday. Okay. So once it breaks 3325, then we can go for next targets of 3315 and 3330. Let's see 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is also at sell side, and there is a supporter 3315. 15 minutes time frame. Yes, it's the same supporter 332526. Okay, 5 minutes. There is a strong resistance at 3338, and the resistance is at 3 till 3348. So I think it is a very clear targets we have, and we cannot keep marking all the targets for the entire day. The first few targets we will likely to we can confidently mark now, and then at tomorrow how the day is open, then the targets could keep changing. Okay, so we were noting down some trends. Okay, let let me put this in 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so the current support, it has 3325. Okay, and if you take 1 hour time frame, that's right, 2 hour time frame, that's right, 3 hour time frame, right, 4 hour time frame, 3263, and if you take 1 day, 3270. Up to 3270, we can have a forecast for the next week. So this can be target 3. Okay, so there is a strong support at 3296. So likely you can be at the sell side, and uh, you can exit at 3300 to 3276, and then look for more downward trend. Okay. Okay, and for buy side, enter. Gold will turn. Gold will show bullish reversal only above 3451. So you should enter buy position only above 3451 for gold. Otherwise, you need to stay at sell side only. The reason is because, let me show you. Yes. Okay, so we have our pivot at 3340. The upper side pivot is 3350, and if you take 1 hour time frame, so we have a resistance at 3351. So when the 1 hour candle stays above 3351, then you can enter into buy side. Okay, until then, we are looking for gold to still hit more lower side for targets 3313, 3330, 3270. Okay, and one thing we should keep in mind that there is a clash going on between Trump and Fed chairman. Uh, if this uncertainty prevails. If there is any impact to uh, US economy and market, gold will again boom to a lifetime high. So we should have a cautiousness of any reversal for gold to the upper side due to the market condition. So that is why I say when the gold is reversing above 3451, don't be in the sell side, be cautious and look for upside any movement. Otherwise, the current trend is the gold can touch up till 3340 or even it can come to 3350 and take a resistance here and come down. Okay, but for the current setup, the gold is likely to come down to gold is likely to come down to 1415 as first target, and second target can be 3295, 3295 to 3300. Right? So this is a very simple setup for gold, which we can look for tomorrow. Let me take this to our summary. Okay, let's move to Nifty. For Nifty, Nifty was also clearly at the downtrend. Let me remove all the drawings. If you see, we have a strong support at us, support at 247770. So this could be the support in the daily chart. Yes. So let me go to the lower time frame. So if you see, there is a fair value gap has formed here at this point. Okay, the price can likely to again touch 25,000, but likely when it is getting reverse from downward movement, it is likely to fill this gap. But as of now, no. Let's see for lower time frame. Let's see for targets for tomorrow. So we have our pivot at 24,860. No, this is a fair value gap. This is not the resistance. Let me mark in some different color. Let me come down to lower time frame, 2 hours. So we have a likely support at 24,665. 24,665 in daily chart. Yes, 24,665 also looks possible. In 1 hour time frame, it is 24,650. Yes. In 30 minutes time frame, it is also in sell side. At sell side, target 24,775 to 24 6 650. Let's see 15 minutes time frame. So the price is likely little bit, it can go up till 24,860 and 24,900, and then it can come down. For tomorrow, the price can even touch 25,000, but still I would not consider gold to be bullish. Okay. Uh, Not gold, sorry, it's Nifty. 24,775. Yes, this is a clear target at sell side. 24,775, 24,650. Let me confirm the entry points. 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour. Yes, yes. So this, we should look for these targets to touch for next week for Nifty. Okay. Favor on put side. So we have a strong resistance at 25,329, and if you see here, there is a clear pushback at 25,250. So you see at multiple points there is a push. You see here, this is support here, here. These 2 points. There was a strong resistance at 25,250. So until the price again crosses 25,250, we cannot say Nifty as bullish. Nifty is very weak. So probably it can fill this gap, 25,000, 25,050, and again it can come down. So uh, 1 hour. So we can have this. So it can have this point to bounce and again come down. So this is a possibility. Price can touch 25,000 and again it can fall. Okay, but the first probability is price will come down to this level, 650, and likely it goes here. So this is the probability. So once the prices touch here, one, two. So this is the first movement. And then it can bounce back. And then reassess. So we are looking for this target. this target is possible. Only above 2500 or target 25500. Sorry, 250. For tomorrow. At sell side target this. Okay. So let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. Zero drawings. Bank Nifty again, it is clearly in the downtrend. Let's see for targets. So we can clearly see the next support it as 56 320. Favor put side. Target 1 24 350. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Up to 24 330 is possible. And we have a pivot at 56 622, 56 700. Okay. 2 hours time frame. 56 320. 3 hours time frame. We have a supported. So okay, we want to break 56 475. Wait for price to break 56 475 in 3 hour candle for targets below. Okay, then the target can be 24 330. 4 hours time frame. Yes. Once if it breaks 56 200, then we have more lower side targets. So we can clearly see this 3 soldiers. 4 hours time frame. We have some liquidity here. 3 hours time from 56,272. Target 2 hours time frame. 56,300. 325. 56,325 is possible. 1 hour time frame. $325, and if it takes its liquidity, 56,000. 56,000 is can be also possible. 56,000. It has to break this point. 56,325, a strong support. Once it breaks, 56,247. If it breaks 56,247, next target can be 56,000. Fair put side for 28th July. Long down target. Okay, and if for upside, if the price goes above 56,873, then we can look for 57,195. Correct. So we have the pivot at 56,800. Bank Nifty can turn bullish if price move above 56,800 and stays above 56,880. 56,880 for target 57,220. Okay. This is for 28th July. 28th July. So this is our prediction, guys. Last week's prediction for each day, 100% we achieved exactly the points what we predicted. Hopefully our predictions comes true for tomorrow. The market is looking bearish. If there is some upside movement, that can be a pullback, but stay cautious in bullish side. Be favorable at put side, and look for the targets which is mentioned, guys. Okay. So for Bank Nifty, so this is our prediction for tomorrow. Happy trading, guys. Safe trading. Thank you. Bye.